Hey guys, so today I'm finally going to show you exactly how I get AJ hair with mud wash. So we just came from the beach the day before and I basically got all the sand out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out more sand and showing you exactly how AJ hair is currently in its state. Now I'm going to use this detangler because AJ hair is matted and no stress on the hair. And also you see TT in the bag. So basically I will be using a regular grocery bag instead of a shower cap. It's easier for me that way once I apply all the mud into the hair and let it sit. Now I'm going in with a detangling brush to make sure that all the knots are not in, and also taking the remaining of the sand out. Right here I'm going to show you exactly how I apply the mud wash in AJ hair. So right now you see that it's full and thick. You can apply it like this, but I'm going to go ahead and make it more liquid and more manageable for me. So I'm going to go ahead, and I bought this from the dollar store where you could put the ketchup in. So basically I'm going to be using that, and I will be adding water. Here I'm adding enough water that is manageable for me with the clay in there. So I will be shaking it up, and then I will be testing out how consistent is the liquid, and I will get it to my liking. You can do this to your liking, but I like it a certain thinness to thickness. So you will be seeing how I want mine to look at the end. Here you'll see me have the apple cider vinegar, the Bragg's brand, and also tea tree and peppermint. The tea tree is for the properties of it, and the peppermint is for the smell. The reason why I add apple cider vinegar because it helps balance out the pH levels in the scalp and flattens and closes the hair cuticles. This at the end will make the hair smoother and easy to detangle, and it leaves our hair with a shine with less frizz. Now I'm going to add water to dilute the apple cider vinegar and the essential oils. Here you will see how I quickly apply the mud wash to his hair as he's sitting down and watching television, and it does not even bother him, and it's very easy for me to quickly just pass it in his hair and squeeze and go, squeeze and go. Right here, this is my method of using the grocery bag. Before placing on the head, make sure you wash it thoroughly and then place it on the head and wrap it around. But if you feel that your child this is a choking hazard, go ahead and use the shower cap. But for me, this method works perfectly fine for me. Here I'm just making sure that all the clay is out his hair, just like that, and then I will be applying the apple cider vinegar solution to his head. Here I'm adding my DIY oil that I made with herbs, and I will be applying that to his scalp, and then I also will be applying the pomade from the Sisters product.